guys, it's me Tori. I'm back with another video for this week, and for this week we're making breakfast. I found this recipe on this website called Delish. It's just like a cooking website. Like there's a lot of different recipes on there, which I normally really like their recipes. So I think this one's gonna be good. It looked fairly simple, fairly easy to make, not too much ingredients, but I decided that we'd give it a try. The only thing is that it takes a little bit to cook, which depending on how you, like when you decide to meal prep, that could be a struggle, but luckily for me, I like to meal prep in the evening. So by the time I wake up in the morning, all my meals are ready to go. So pretty simple recipe, takes a little bit longer to make, but super easy to just reheat up in the morning, and yeah, so let's get to it. Okay guys, we're going to want to start with 10 large eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of fresh thyme leaves and more for garnish, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt, pepper, ham, and shredded cheese. I chose to use Mexican cheese. But we're gonna preheat our oven to 350, and we're gonna add our eggs into a large bowl along with our milk, and I'm adding my 1.5 cups here, our 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, our thyme, which I just kind of guesstimated with this, the garlic powder, and salt and pepper. So we're just gonna whisk all of that up, make sure it's all nice and beaten together. And once we're done with that, we're gonna spray our pan with Pam, just so it doesn't get all stuck on the bottom, and we're gonna dump our egg mixture into our pan. Now that we've done that, we're gonna want to add our ham and cheese on top of the mixture, and we're gonna place it in the oven, and my dog wants some, LOL. So yeah, we're just gonna cook it for about 45 to 55 minutes, just until it's cooked. And this is the finished product. Alright guys, so I went ahead and plated. So I also added my garnishes, which is just some more fresh thyme and then some hot sauce. My professor actually made this hot sauce, so shout out to Dr. Stouffer for making the hot sauce. But yeah, we're gonna try it. Wow. That is super good. The thyme really pulls in the flavors in the hot sauce. Ooh, it's a little spicy, but it tastes really good with all of the other flavors that we have going on here. So I would rate this like an 11 out of 10, like off the scale. Like this is really good. I think this might be one of the best things I've made so far, and it just tastes like super fresh, and it's super good. Like I'm gonna eat this whole plate. So now we just want to store our food in an airtight container. I'm gonna store one in the fridge and one in the freezer, and my dog is still begging for food. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, if you decide to try this recipe, please leave a comment like down below so I can check it out, and my socials will also be down there. And yeah, I hope you all have a good rest of your week, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.